What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got an install video today. Not going to waste too much time with an intro. We're going to be chucking a synthetic winch rope on the Audi and getting rid of the factory wire one. So I picked up an Octane synthetic rope from Revco. I couldn't get anything orange, and of course, you know, I like to color match anything, so I got a few more goodies to go along with it. So we'll get all these goodies put on, make it look good. I actually got Diesel Dilly coming over here to give me a hand because we're going to be doing a few things to the bike, changing out the one-way bearing, putting a new belt on, kind of giving it a once-over, tuning it up a little bit. Stay tuned to the end. I'll get all these goodies on there, show you what the final product looks like. But the main point of this video, of course, is the winch line install. So let's get into it. All right, so you just need 5/8 Allen key to get this off. Pull the old roller out, pull the old winch cable out, start putting the new one on. Guys, you want to pull on that? Grab onto that. The old one gone. Time for the new. You got that off already. Ooh, how's the belt looking?
That right there is a burnt belt.
Oh yeah, big time.
That right there is a brand new belt.
Money.
It's all nice and level.
Yeah, she's due for a change, I'd say.
Oh, is it ever? Oh yeah, that's nice and shiny.
That was
that skag field where I broke my axle, I'd say, last weekend, and we smoked her good.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Oh, it was squealing pretty good there. Man, she was squealing. Yeah, definitely time for a new belt.
Okay. Just trying to get the coil out so I can get some slack onto it, so I can get the coil moved over this way so I can get at the lock screw.
All right, because the lock screw's under there, but they got it wrapped around.
Oh, there we go. Just a quick cable so kinked up.
Garbage.
Let's just trim this back a little bit.
Trim it back. And
See if I can pull this. Where the fuck am I going to do this now?
why are you cutting that back? Just so there's not so much wrapped around there?
Just so, yeah, so I can get this right through the fucking winch.
You want to heat that up so don't fray?
We might. Yeah, I have to.
Pretty pink later.
Ever get your job done?
You got it in the first one.
Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to get this wrapped around a little bit. Which way she's gonna go so it's flat. I wish that plastic strap was right in the board.
Don't it come right out?
No.
What's it holding on?
The bumper piece.
No, that's coming out, Dylan.
Huh?
That'll come out.
I didn't want to crack your bike. You know what I'm like.
Maybe it won't just come right out.
That's what I thought.
It's hooked onto something. It's just floating there.
Yeah, it's hitting right here.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, you undo the two black hairs, both from the bottom.
Oh.
I ain't doing that.
No.
There we go. One more loop up through. And then. I'll get you to work the winch. Oh, awesome. Give it to her, bud. That's it right here. You going in? this right yet.
What you doing, sir? Oh, there's a nut already there for you.
Yeah.
Where did I get that one from then? What's that off of? No, maybe. Probably.
Better edit that out.
Hot dang, that's a sexy little setup. All right, we got the winch all on there. Got the fair lead. Well, here, I'll show you. Got the OMD Desert Tan fair lead to match plastics. Got the orange stop there and the black hook just to spice things up a little bit. Keep the color match going. And the Octane winch rope is in there. Shout out to Diesel Dilly for giving me a hand with that. Went about as smooth as it can. Had to cut back the red warning section, just kind of slide it down until we got everything wrapped around, and then kind of pulled it back up because we didn't think it would go through the actual opening once we got the lock nut back in there, or whatever you call it. I think it's a lock nut, lock bolt. Roast me in the comments for it. And once we got it all wrapped around, then we slid that back up. So it's still on the end where it needs to be. And yeah, everything went on. I didn't really do a step-by-step in the video, but you just got to pop these out here so that this can come out a bit. Obviously, your fair lead comes off first, and then between pulling this out and taking the plastics off on this side, it really does give you enough room to work. I've seen people take the whole winch out, and judging by today, that's not necessary. That's just a whole lot of extra work. Shout out to Diesel Dilly for giving me a hand with that, and for putting a new belt and a one-way bearing in for me. So we're all ready to go there, ready for the next ride. That crew from 902 is getting out next weekend, so that should be what the next video is about. Getting out on a trail ride, and everything's frozen right now, and there's no snow, so no deep snow, no deep mud, but we'll make it good, I promise. So subscribe, that way you know about that. So that's really it for this video. We got the new winch set up, so I'm all ready to go. No more ripping my gloves and hearing that annoying sound, and you know, just an all-around garbage winch. You saw the clip. They're garbage. But anyway, we're good to go now. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time. Peace.